Smart touch displays for installation. Simply plug in or solder while using the pins. Programming custom screens. 3 interfaces for transmitting measurement values or touch responses: RS-232, I²C, and SPI. Extremely wide viewing angle. Easy installation thanks to mounting clips and front frame. Simple programming, easy to fit, long-term available, demo board plus support, made for any application. Good for small and medium production volumes. Thousands of applications worldwide. Display Visions, your reliable partner.